Zara was at her desk. She read her book. The room was dark. Then came a buzz. It was a text. The text said, "Why did you leave the door open?" Zara stood up. The door was real. It moved by wind. She ran to the door. She shut it hard. Her hands felt cold. Fear came fast. "I saw you close it. I'm near." She held her phone tight. She felt weak. Zara called the cops. Two men came fast. She told her tale. One took her phone. The cop read the log. The name said, Meher. She went lost years ago. The clue was real. Zara went to the shop. The man was kind. He said, this SIM was not sold. It was void. That night she found a pic, a face at her back door. It had no eyes. It made her stop. The cops searched a flat. They dug near the wall. They found an old phone. Meher was free.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.